Your competitor is paying 1/10 of what you're paying for marketing and getting better results. Let me show you why and what to do about it right now. The marketing game changed permanently. And I don't mean it shifted a little. I mean the entire foundation cracked. The old model? Pay an agency thousands a month, wait weeks for deliverables, and hope something sticks. That model is dead. But here's the thing most business owners don't realize yet. What replaced it is actually in your favor. If you know how to use it. AI marketing doesn't mean a robot is running your business. It means the boring, time-consuming stuff. Writing captions, scheduling posts, analyzing what's working, targeting the right audience. All of that gets handled in minutes instead of days. The strategy, the relationships, the brand voice that makes people trust you, that stays human. AI handles the labor. You keep the soul. Let me paint you a picture. Two coffee shop owners, same city, same quality product. Owner A spends 3 hours a night writing Instagram posts, boosting random content, and praying something goes viral. Owner B plugs into an AI-powered system, content created in her brand voice, ads targeted using thousands of data points, performance reports telling her exactly what to double down on. Within 60 days, Owner B has tripled her online orders. Owner A is still guessing. Same effort, wildly different results. Here's what most small business owners are doing right now, and all three options are costing them. Option 1, overpaying a traditional agency that bills hours for work AI does in minutes. Option 2, doing it yourself, which sounds free, but costs you the most valuable thing you have, your time. Every hour you spend writing captions is an hour you're not serving customers or growing your business. Option 3, doing nothing. And doing nothing while your competitors show up in every feed, every search result, every recommendation. That's the most expensive choice of all. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance and advantage, but everyone who acts in haste comes surely to poverty." That's not just wisdom for your spiritual life. That's a business principle. Diligent planning with the right tools leads to abundance. Rushing around doing everything yourself, throwing money at outdated strategies, that leads to burnout and broke. AI gives you the ability to be diligent and strategic without being overwhelmed. But here's what separates great AI marketing from generic AI marketing: the human layer on top. The best AI tools in the world are only as good as the strategy guiding them. Prompt quality, audience knowledge, brand positioning. That requires someone who actually understands your business, your customers, and your market. AI is the engine, but you still need a driver who knows the road. This is a first mover window and it's closing fast. Remember when Facebook pages were new and the businesses that got on early dominated their local market before anyone else caught on? The same thing is happening right now with AI-powered marketing. The businesses that adopt this in 2025 and 2026 will own their market space while everyone else plays catch up. The question isn't whether AI marketing works. The question is, will you move now or wish you had? Look, today I broke down exactly why the old marketing model is dead, how AI handles the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on your craft, and why the window to move first is closing. If you're a business owner ready to stop guessing and start growing, go to crownmediagroup.co. Book a free strategy session. Let's build something that actually works.